Move, Rainier. Oh, shit. Ugh. I don't know how to do this. I really need to invest in a camera stand. Okay, so, Rainier, can you please move? I let Rainier out to use the bathroom, but I don't know if he used it because it's raining out there. But he just wants to go back outside. To him, it's like, ah, swimming, right? He's just having fun. But I don't want you out there, okay? Just putting on some socks. My feet freezing. Hold on, my glasses are all wet. I guess I should let the landlord know the place is flooding too. I don't know what good it would do at this point. So Matt is in Tri-Cities, but he's on his way home. So he'll be here in a few hours, and his dad and uncle are about an hour away, so they're gonna come check on the place. I don't want to let you outside right here. I'd rather you just pee inside right now. Pee and poop on that towel right there, because you're all wet. Get down. Okay? I just got dry. Okay, Matt's calling me.